Cup. I drank a cup of tea. I drank a cup of tea. Fun. We had so much fun at the park. We had so much fun at the park. Sun. The sun is shining today. The sun is shining today. Run. I run every morning. I run every morning. Cut. Be careful not to cut your finger. Be careful not to cut your finger. Bus. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. Love. I love my family. I love my family. Mug. I bought a new coffee mug. I bought a new coffee mug. Truck. The truck is very big. The truck is very big. Jump. The cat can jump high. The cat can jump high. Bump. I hit a bump in the road. I hit a bump in the road. Luck. He had good luck today. He had good luck today. Hug. She gave me a warm hug. She gave me a warm hug. Bun. I ate a bun for breakfast. I ate a bun for breakfast. Drum. He plays the drum in a band. He plays the drum in a band. Mud. The dog is playing in the mud. The dog is playing in the mud. Shut. Please shut the door. Please shut the door. Plum. I like to eat a fresh plum. I like to eat a fresh plum. Stub. I stubbed my toe on the table. I stubbed my toe on the table. Luck. He wished me luck before the exam. He wished me luck before the exam. Bump. I felt a bump on my head. I felt a bump on my head. Sunset. We watched the beautiful sunset. We watched the beautiful sunset. Under. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Cupcake. I baked a chocolate cupcake. I baked a chocolate cupcake. Lunch. I had a sandwich for lunch. I had a sandwich for lunch. Bunk. The kids sleep on a bunk bed. The kids sleep on a bunk bed. Blunt. He gave a blunt answer. He gave a blunt answer. Fuss. Don't make a fuss about it. Don't make a fuss about it. Chunk. I cut a chunk of cheese. I cut a chunk of cheese. Hut. They live in a small hut. They live in a small hut. Buckle. I need to buckle my belt. I need to buckle my belt. Punk. He looks like a punk. He looks like a punk. Dumb. Don't feel dumb for asking. Don't feel dumb for asking. Sum. What is the sum of 5 and 7? What is the sum of 5 and 7? Stump. He sat on a tree stump. He sat on a tree stump. Crust. The bread has a hard crust. The bread has a hard crust. Buzz. I heard a buzz in the room. I heard a buzz in the room. Rug. The cat sleeps on the rug. The cat sleeps on the rug. Tug. He gave a tug on the rope. He gave a tug on the rope. Bunk. The soldiers sleep in a bunk. The soldiers sleep in a bunk.